marker problems on radian and degree measure. A quadrilateral means a four-sided figure, isn't it? A cyclic quadrilateral means whichever there in the circle, inside the circle quadrilateral is present means it is called cyclic quadrilateral. Tn will be is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Just remember this formula. A is our first term and d is the difference you are going to have, where n be the number of terms you are going to have it as. Hello dear students, a warm welcome to one and all. My name is Vibha, Mathematics faculty at Vidyashram, the Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. In the last session what we have learned, we have given introduction to trigonometry, and then we have learned some problems of the one marker how to solve, isn't it? So in this session number 2 and then chapter 13, which is nothing but angles and trigonometric ratios, and what are all the topics you are going to study under this session is nothing but a 2 marker problems on radian and degree measure. So therefore here sum of the angles of a triangle is given by 180 degree. Sum means addition. Sum of angles of triangle is nothing but 180 degree, and then similarly sum of angles of quadrilateral is equals to 360 degree. And then what we are going to consider, if the angles of a triangle are in AP, that means arithmetic progression, and angles of quadrilateral are in AP means if angles of triangle are in AP, then you are going to move to the formula like this. Tn will be is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Just remember this formula. A is our first term and d is the difference you are going to have, where n be the number of terms you are going to have it as. So by the formula we are going to get the angles of a triangle if they are in AP means arithmetic progression. You are going to have it as a plus d and then a minus d. This you are going to consider the angles. Understood? If they are in AP, A is the initial and D is the difference you are going to have it as. Similarly, if the angles of a quadrilateral are in AP, so if angles of quadrilateral are in AP, then consider the angle as A minus D, A plus D, A minus 3D and A plus 3D. So this you are going to consider the angles. Just you have to remember this. Understood? Then we'll move on to solving the problem, dears. So what they have asked, the first problem, they have asked like this: the difference between acute angles of a right angle triangle is 2 pi by 5. Express angles in radians. So if I am going to take it as the difference between the acute angles means what? It will be lesser than 90 degree you are going to have it as, isn't it? So therefore here, and they have given it as the difference is nothing but 2 pi by 5 they have given, right? Therefore, now you are going to have it as right angle triangle means what, dear? If A and B are the angles of a triangle, A plus B will be is equal to angles of a right angle. A plus B will be is equal to 90 degree. Right angle means 90 degree, and they have given difference between two angles A and B. So A minus B they have given it as 2 pi by 5. How to convert 2 pi by 5 in a degree? Just multiply by 180 by pi. 2 pi by 5 into 180 divided by pi. Just multiply by 180 by pi to convert the given radian to a degree, isn't it? So therefore here we can cancel this one. It will be is equal to 5 ones are 5, 36 are. So 2 6 are 12. You are going to have it as 1 is carry over. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 is 7. So it is converted into 72 degree. Therefore, I can equate this will be is equals to 72 degree. Here I am writing A plus B is equal to 90 degree. Similarly, A minus B converting 2 pi by 5 as degree, it is nothing but 72 degree. So what I want now, the angle, isn't it? Therefore, you are going to have it as plus b minus b will get cancelled. A plus a is 2a, and then here 90 plus 72 you are going to have it as 162, isn't it? Because it will go here, 90 plus 72 is 162. Now 162 divided by 2 is nothing but what? So you are going to have 2 8s and 2 1s. So A will be is equals to how much? 81 degree. If A is equals to 81 degree, we can find out what is B is, isn't it? Therefore, A plus B is equal to 90 degree. So A is equals to 81 degree means B will be is equal to 90 minus 81, which will be is equal to B as nothing but you are going to have it as 9 degree, right? Correct? So therefore, express the angle in degrees. They have asked A is 81 degree and B is 9 degree. That's it, dears. I hope you understood. We'll move on to the next problem. What they have asked the next problem, dears? They have asked the next problem is like this. The angles of a quadrilateral are in AP and the greatest of which is double the least. Express the angles in degree and in radians. So they've asked you towards what is that? Angles of a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means what, dear? Quadrilateral means you are going to have it as like this. A four-sided figure is nothing but the quadrilateral. Okay. So this is going to be known as the quadrilateral. Any four-sided figure is going to be known as the quadrilateral. Understood? So here they have given the angles of a quadrilateral are in AP. As I told you, are in AP means what are the angles you have to consider? Let A plus D, A minus D and A minus 3D, right? And A plus 3D be the angles of quadrilateral which are in AP, right? Quadrilateral are in AP. Now you are going to have, they have given the angles of a quadrilateral are in AP and the greatest of which is double the least. Which is the greatest here? Greatest is nothing but A plus 3D. If you know, greatest is A plus 3D is equal to is double the least. Which is the least? Least is not A minus D, which is A minus 3D. 3 times of D, which is real numbers left hand side, isn't it? So therefore, 2 times of is double the least means doubling of this the least. A minus 3D. So therefore, I can have A plus 3D will be is equal to 2A minus 6D. Now, you are going to get the relation between A and D here. So, collect all the A terms to one side and D terms to other side. See here, 3D plus 6D, 3D plus 6D will be is equal to 2A plus A. So, therefore, you are going to have it as 60 plus 3D is 90 is equals to 3A. So, here you are going to have 3 1s are 3 3s are. So, therefore, A will be is equal to 3D. So, keep this relation as it is, dear. You know that angles of a quadrilateral is nothing but 360 degree. The sum of the angles of a quadrilateral. Therefore, adding all these angles will be getting. So, A minus D plus A plus D plus A minus 3D plus A plus 3D will be is equal to 360 degree. What and all it will get cancelled, dears? Minus D plus D minus 3D plus 3D. You are going to remain with 1, 2, 3, 4 times of A will be is equal to 360 degree. Otherwise, you can cancel over here. What it will be? So, A will be is equals to, therefore, 4 1s are 4, 9s are. So, you are going to have A will be is equal to 90 degree, correct? If A is equals to 90 degree, what will be D is equals to? D will be is equal to 90 by 3, correct? So, therefore, you are going to have it as, we know that A is equal to 3D or D is equals to A by 3, which will be is equal to 90 by 3. So, which is nothing but D is equals to 30 degree, correct? So, A you got and D you got. We need to find out now what we have taken A plus D, A minus D, A minus 3D and A plus 3D. We have to express that in degrees as well as the radians, right? So, therefore, by solving here, what is A minus D and then A plus D, A minus 3D, A plus 3D, So here A minus D is nothing but 90 minus 30. Correct? 90 degree minus 30 degree. Here 90 plus 30. Here 90 minus 3 into 30. Correct? Again 90 plus 3 into 30. Right? So therefore, you are going to have 90 minus 30 degree is nothing but what? Which is 60 degree. 60 degree. How 60 degree can be converted into a radian? 60 into, you are going to multiply with pi by 180, which is 60 by 180. So 61s are 63s are, you are going to convert that into pi by 3. Correct? So this is a degree, this is a radian. 90 plus 30, which is nothing but 120 degree. How to convert 120 degree? 120 degree can be written as 60 into 2, correct? So 60 degree can be written as pi by 3 means how? 120 degree can be written as 2 into pi by 3. So which is nothing but 2 pi by 3. Similarly, 90 minus 3 into 30. So 3 3s are 9, 90 minus 90 which is 0 degree. So in the radian also 0 you are going to have. Similarly, 90 plus 3 into 3 which is nothing but 90 again. 90 plus 90 is 180 degree. 180 degree is represented in radian as pi. Understood? This is in terms of the degrees and denominator here it is in terms of radians. That's it, dears. I hope you got this problem how to solve. First find A and D by the conditions of the quadrilateral what they have given, and then find out A minus D, A plus D, A minus 3D, A plus 3D, and then find out within what is that? Radian, converting into a radian. Understood? We'll move on to the next one, dears. What they've asked. The greatest angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is double the least of the difference of the other two angles is 30 degree. Find the angles in radians they've asked. So here we are moving on to the cyclic quadrilateral means what? A quadrilateral means a four-sided figure, isn't it? A cyclic quadrilateral means whichever there in the circle. Inside the circle quadrilateral is present means it is called cyclic quadrilateral. Understood? So therefore inside the circle if you are having a quadrilateral is present means it is going to be known as a cyclic quadrilateral. So this is going to be known as cyclic quadrilateral. This is A, B, again you are going to have C, D, right? So this is called cyclic quadrilateral. Well, BC will be is equal to 180 degree, AD also will be is equal to 180 degree because quadrilateral A plus D, A minus D, and then A minus 3D, A plus 3D are in AP, you know already. Here they have not given are in AP, but you are going to have according to the conditions of the cyclic quadrilateral, they have given it as, see, double the least and the difference of the other two angles is 30 degree. So therefore you can have it as here A plus D according to the diagram. A plus D is 180 degree and B plus C also 180 degree. But given it as the difference other two angles is 30 degree, we can have it as B minus C is equal to 30 degree. Understood? So therefore here you are going to have it as by considering this. You can solve these two equations B minus C and B plus C. Let me write it here. B minus C is equal to 30 degree. If you add this, you are going to cancel with C and 2B will be is equals to 180 plus 30 is nothing but you are going to have it as a 210 degree, right? So if you cancel this, B will be is equals to, and 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 0, you are going to have it as 2 1s are 2, 0, 2 5s are 10. So B will be is equal to 105 degree, right? And then, so if B is equal to 105 degree, we know that C can be found out by B minus C is equals to 30 degree. So you are going to have C will be is equal to B minus 30 degree. So C will be is equal to 105 degree minus 30 degree. So C will be is equal to, you are going to have the answer is, so which is nothing but 75 degree. Okay. Here I am going to consider let A be the, here what I have taken, let A be the greatest angle and D be the least angle. Correct? They have given already, see, greatest is double the least they have given. So greatest is double the least means you are going to have it as A will be is equal to 2D. Correct? If A is equals to 2D, I can have it as A plus D is equals to 180 degree. We know that according to the given condition, greatest angle is 2 times of the least angle. Therefore, substituting there, 2 times of least angle plus D will be is equal to 180 degree. Otherwise, 3D will be is equals to 180 degree. So, you can cancel over there. D will be is equal to 60 degree. Correct? If D is equals to 60 degree, you can find out what is A will be is equal to, as A is equal to 2 times of D. Therefore, we know that A is 2 times of D, means A will be is equal to 2 times of 60 degree, which will be is equal to A is 120 degree. 60 into 2 is nothing but 120 degree. Right? So this they have asked you to represent in degrees, right? I hope you understood. See, they have asked you to represent, find the angles, in radians. Radians means we need to convert into a radians. Let me write it here. What is B? What is C? B is nothing but 105 degree. C is nothing but 75 degree. And then you are going to convert this. Let me write afterwards A. So 105 degree can be written as how? B will be is equal to 105 into pi divided by 180. So you are going to have cancel by 5. 5 2s are 10. Correct? You are going to have it as 5 2s are 10 and then 5 1s are 5. Right? So this means 5 36 are. Again you can divide it by 7. 3 7s are, 3 1s are, 3 2s are. So therefore 105 degree can be written as 7 pi by 12. Understood? 105 degrees, 7 pi by 12. Let me convert C. C is equal to 75 degree, which will be is equal to 75 into pi by 180. You can cancel it by 5. 5 1s are 5. Remaining is you are going to have it as 2. 25. 5 5s are 25. 5 36 are. Again 3 5s are 15. 3 1s are 3 2s are. So 5 pi by 12 you can represent, and then you are going to have it as a D. A will be is equal to 120 degree. You know already D is nothing but 60 degree. 60 degree can be represented as pi by 3. So 120 degree can be represented as 2 pi by 3. That's it. So the degrees are 105 degree, 75 degree, 60 degree, 120 degree. Respectively, the radians are 7 pi by 12, 5 pi by 12, pi by 3 and 2 pi by 3. I think you understood this one, how to convert a degree to a radian. We'll move on to the next problem, dears. What they have asked, the angles of a quadrilateral are in AP such that the greatest angle is double the least. Express the least angle in degree, radians. So, we know that angles of a quadrilateral are what? A minus D are in AP. A minus D, A plus D, A minus 3D, A plus 3D be the angles are in AP. B, the angles of quadrilateral are in AP. Therefore, they have given it as what? You know that some of these will be A minus D plus A plus D plus A minus 3D plus A plus 3D will be is equal to 360 degree. Otherwise, you are going to have it as C D minus 3D plus 3D. 4A will be is equal to 360 degree. Otherwise, A will be is equals to 90 degree. Correct? Cancelling by 4. You know this one. And they have given, what is that? Greatest is double. The angles of a greatest, let me take it as A will be the greatest and D will be the least. So therefore, you are going to have greatest is nothing but here A plus 3D. So A plus 3D will be is equal to double the least. Least means A minus 3D. A minus 3D. So therefore, A plus 3D will be is equal to 2A minus 6D. You are going to get the relation in what is that? D and A. Taking 6D to this side. 3D plus 6D is 9D. 2A minus A, right? Yes, if you take 60 to this side and A to that side, it will become 2A minus A, which is nothing but A. So A will be is equals to 9D. You are going to have it as, right? So therefore, here you can have A is equals to 90 and then you can find out D is equals to 9 by D will be is equals to, what is that? A by 9, which will be is equal to 90 by 9, which will be is equal to 10 degree. 9 ones are 9 tens are, right? So therefore D will be is equal to 10 degree. Correct? So if D is equals to 10 degree, x plus the least angle in the radians. Which is the least angle here? Least angle is nothing but you are going to have it as A minus 3D, and that is the least angle you are going to have. Therefore, A minus 3D is the least angle, which is A is nothing but you are going to have it as, what is A? 90 degree. 90 degree minus 3 into D is nothing but 10 degree. So which will be is equal to 90 minus 3 into 10 is 30 degree, which will be is equal to 60 degree. So 60 degree can be converted in a radian, which will be is equal to pi by 3. This is in a degree, this is in a radian. They have asked you to represent only the least angle in a radian. This is what the least angle. Greatest angle means A plus 3D. Are you getting? So if you want to express A minus D also, it is not the least, it is below the least you are going to have it as. Understood? This is the least angle in these. Okay, I hope you understood this one. We'll move on to the next one. The angles of a triangle are in AP and the greatest angle is 84 degree. Find all the three angles in radians. I told you to consider the angles of a triangle are in AP means let A, comma A minus D, A plus D be the angles of triangle are in AP. Therefore, you are going to have it as, see, what is that? A plus A minus D plus A plus D. Sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree, plus D minus D will get cancelled. 1, 2, 3 times of A you are going to have it as, which will be 180 degree. Now, you are going to have it as 3A is equal to 180 degree, 3 ones are 3 6 are. So, therefore, A will be is equal to 60 degree. So, and then they have given it as here, if A we have found out it is 60 degree, the greatest angle is 84 degree they have given already, okay. Now therefore, so greatest angle is nothing but here A plus D, so A plus D they have given it as 84 degree. We know that A is equal to 60 degree by solving this, substituting here 60 degree plus D will be is equal to 84 degree, otherwise D will be is equal to 84 minus 60 degree. So, D will be is equal to 24 degree, right? Now, D is 24 and A is 60 degree. They've asked all the three angles, that means A minus D, A plus D in where? Radians. So, let me represent. A will be is equal to 60 degree. 60 degree can be represented in a radian as pi by 3, and then we have A minus D. A minus D will be is equal to, what is A? A is 60 degree minus D is nothing but we have found out 24 degree, which will be is equal to, you are going to have it as 36 degree. 36 degree can be represented in radians as 36 into pi by 180. So therefore, which will be is equals to, so 36 ones are, 36 fives are, so pi by 5 is a radian. Next, A plus D is A is 60 degree plus B is 24 degree, which will be 60 plus 24 is 84 degree. 84 degree can be converted into radian by multiplying by pi by 180, which will be is equals to, you can cancel by what terms? You can cancel by 2. 4s are 8, 2 2s are 12 again, 2 9s are 18, again 2 2s are 2 1s are, again 2 is nothing but 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, again by what? You can cancel by 3 7s are 3, 1s are 3, you are going to have it as 3 5s are 15. Therefore, the answer is 7 pi by 15. So, this is your respectively pi by 3, pi by 5 and 7 pi by 15 is your answer. I hope you got this. So, okay, I hope you understood this one, how to solve in the radians, isn't it? We'll move on to the next problem. What they've asked. The angles of a triangle are in AP. The greatest is 5 times the least. Find the angles in the radians. Greatest is 5 times the least means let A A minus D, A plus D be the angles of triangle are in AP. Therefore, we know that A plus A minus D plus A plus D, which will be giving you 180 degree. So for solving this, 3A will be is equals to, you are going to have it as 180 degree. Otherwise, A will be is equal to 180 by 3 is nothing but 60 degree. So A is 60 degree here. Therefore, we know that they have given least angle is what? This is the least angle. Greatest angle is this is the greatest. They have given greatest is 5 times the least. So greatest is 5 times the least. A plus D is equal to 5A minus 5D. So taking all the D terms to one side and A terms to other side, minus 5D, if it comes to this side, it will become plus 5D. D plus 5D is 6D will be is equal to 5A. If A go to that side, it will become 5A minus A is nothing but 4A. Right? Now you can cancel by 2 2s are 2 3s are. So 3D will be is equal to 2A. Now already we know that what is A is equal to, substitute that, you are going to have it as 3D will be is equal to 2 times of 60, which is nothing but 120 degree. Now you can cancel by 3, 3 1s are, 3 4s are. So D will be is equals to 40 degree. If D is equals to 40 degree, they've asked you to find the angles in the radian. So we need to find the angles in the radian. A is nothing but 60 degree. We know that it can be represented by radian as pi by 3 and A minus D. A minus D is nothing but 60 minus D is nothing but 40, which will be is equal to 20 degree. So 20 degree can be expressed as 20 into pi by 180. So therefore, by cancelling over here, right, this will get cancelled. 2 1s are 2 9s are, therefore pi by 9. Correct? Next you are going to have it as A plus D. A plus D is equal to 60 plus 40, which will be is equal to 100 degree. 100 into pi by 180. So this will get cancelled over. So 0 0 will get cancelled. You are going to have it as 2 5s are 2 9s are. Therefore 5 pi by 9. That's it, dears. So respectively, A is pi by 3, A minus D is pi by 9 and A plus D is 5 pi by 9. I hope you got this, how to solve the problems based on the angles of a quadrilateral which are in AP and the angles of triangle which are in AP also, isn't it? So thank you, dear students. I hope you got this session how to solve the problems on the angles of a triangle and quadrilateral which are in AP. We'll meet you in the next session of the problem still more solving on the trigonometric ratios. Thank you, dears. Have a nice day.